A real quick follow on um, from the last video, the atmospheric heating PINTS event taking place, and also was it Dr. Jack Claxon, I think it is. He mentioned something about strong winds. Okay, so obviously this type of activity where they stretch out the what they call it ionosphere and it snaps back and causes a heating event. All right. They do it with is it elf waves or some kind of which one is the wave and it turns into a different kind of wave. I can't remember exactly, but yeah. So there's the heating event, and there's the resulting high winds from it. These winds are absolutely ridiculous. 150 kilometers per hour wind there. Yeah, terrible. And let's see what's heading for New York and Boston. Yeah, terrible. That's really fast. Yeah. I wonder if that will develop into anything, you know, extra nasty, right? And of course the other side of the pincer movement over here, yeah, which it would look like it was heating it here though. Let's see exactly. Yeah. Well, apparently it develops over here. I don't know. Maybe they focused it. Let's see. Looks like so. Yeah, so it looks like it's the straight line focusing areas here, and then it develops further along. See, and it's the same here, where well, it developed quite a far distance away though. Well, not so much here. I don't know. Maybe on the other day. I don't know. Anyway, that's it. So that's how they created the powerful winds, where they're messing about, splitting up the jet stream as they create fake seasons and convince you you're on a ball. Yeah, and there's really only two seasons, right? So there you go. Okay, so horrible wind. how how are you going to survive that? Good luck.